I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys from Wiggins Hair. I'm actually very excited about this wig because it actually goes along with a video that I just made. I will put that video up here or over here somewhere, and that video was just my tips on like if you wanted to start wearing wigs, and this wig kind of like came at the perfect time. Excuse my bump back here. I got two big cornrows in my hair, and I was not taking those down. No, not today. Not when we're in the process of moving and all that kind of stuff. I just wasn't doing it. So excuse that part right there. Let me go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing. So like I said, this wig is from Wiggins Hair. I am wearing their 180% density lace front straight wig. The hair is Brazilian hair, and it is just straight, and it is 22 inches. It's not too much to say about the wig because it is a straight basic, in my opinion. It's a straight basic wig. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. The density is nice. It's 180% density. You can feel the density in here. It doesn't feel too thin or anything like that. It's pretty much perfect. The hairline could use a little bit more plucking. If you're a beginner, I wouldn't worry about it. So the reason I'm excited about this wig and saying that it goes along with that video is because this is pretty much the type of wig or style of wig that I would have purchased if I was a beginner, and that I did purchase when I was a beginner, like when I was looking for my first wig. This is straight to the point. It's sleek. It's not too long. It kind of goes along with my style. I know that it's super basic, but I feel like the most basic wigs you're going to get the most wear out of, and that's what I want. I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty much what I want in a wig, is I want to be able to wear the heck out of it. So I did use my hot comb for the front, and that was very easily just manipulating the front. I was going to actually put a little bit of this mousse on it because I didn't know how well the hair would part, but I was like, let me just try with a little bit of heat first and then we'll go from there, and that actually worked. So I was like, oh yes. It's not just a beginner wig in my opinion, it's also for my ladies and gents, whatever, who just don't have the time to be fooling around with wigs and curls and tangles and shedding. Of course I'm not getting any tangles, you guys. This hair is super like bone straight hair, and I don't know how it will curl. I'm probably not gonna curl it, but I don't see this wig as one of those wigs to curl. You may add like a little bit something in the front, but I would just leave it as is. As far as any shedding, I'm not getting any shedding either, you guys. I'm really liking this wig. I kind of knew it once I put it on that I was going to like really kind of be feeling myself, like kind of sorta. I wish I had more to say about it, but I don't really have any cons. It fits good. I typically wear a size large when it comes to wig caps, but this is a medium. It feels good, you guys. It looks great, it's easy, and it is straight to the point. So that's pretty much it for this video. Good job, Wiggins Hair. I definitely give this wig an A. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at jmarie. That was a mouthful. And that is really it. I will check you guys. What am I talking about? I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.